Gerardo Del Real just came back from deep in the Peruvian jungle with a bold claim. He's uncovered what could be the copper stock of a lifetime. He believes that investors who buy into this stock will make a lot of money, but as usual, he won't just tell you the name of the stock for free. He wants you to buy his services for hundreds of dollars before he reveals the name. I have good news. In his presentation, Gerardo left enough clues to figure out the name of the company, and in this video I'll reveal it for free. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any important information. Before I reveal the secret copper stock, we should take a look at Gerardo's track record to see if he's worth listening to. In January 2023, Gerardo predicted Encore Energy could make investors millionaires by 2025, riding the uranium bull market. While it hasn't hit those heights yet, the stock is up about 50%, slightly beating the market. By August 2023, he made another bold call, claiming perpetual resources could gain 10,000%. Although it hasn't reached that extreme, it has still delivered a remarkable 260% return in just 18 months. In October 2023, he doubled down on uranium, recommending Encore Energy again, which is up 16%, and Uranium Energy Corp, which has soared over 60%, significantly outperforming the market. With a track record of spotting high-potential opportunities, Gerardo's latest copper stock pick is one to watch closely. Now let's analyze his latest stock teaser. Gerardo's latest teaser claims, "What I saw was some of the most amazing rocks and one of the best profit opportunities I've ever seen in my life." He expands on this by talking about how this could be the most exciting time of his career due to the brand new discovery in Peru. He creates even more hype by claiming that we're about to witness one of the hottest copper and gold investment stories of the decade. According to Gerardo, this company could become as big as Escondida, which is the biggest copper mine in the world. The reason this is so important, according to Gerardo, is that copper is going to be in extremely high demand for the anticipated global energy transition. Gerardo claims the world will need 60 million metric tons of copper per year by mid-century, but supply is currently expected to peak at about 30 million metric tons per year in the 2030s. A huge copper deficit is emerging. Throughout the teaser, Gerardo shows videos of himself trekking deep into the Peruvian jungle to show off the copper and gold deposits in the ground. According to Gerardo, gold and copper are oozing out of the rocks. Eventually, Gerardo starts dropping clues and describing the mining company he wants you to invest in. Here's what he has to say. "What makes me so excited about this company and the projects is that there are several projects. The projects we visited will start being drilled in the next several months, with permits coming as early as the next month. That's why the time is now to really dig down into the company, because the company is going to be drilling quality projects, company-making projects, potentially for the next 5 to 10 years. The company that owns it now has a market cap of roughly $60 million, and the companies that own projects of this scale and that have the kind of land tenure that this company has are in the billions of dollars. So, you can do the math from 60 million to many, many billion dollars. I think we're staring directly at a multi-bagger opportunity." Gerardo explains why he thinks this will be such a great investment, saying, "So here's what comes next and what I envision could happen. The majors have to be all over this. The company already has the largest Canadian mining company as a partner. I know their eyes are on not just one project but many projects. Will there be an offer after the first discovery hole? Will there be an offer at the second one on the second project? We'll know soon. There are many scenarios where we could go from a 60 million market cap to a 100 million market cap to a 500 million market cap to that ultimate prize, which is a buyout." The stock Gerardo is pitching in this teaser is Hannan Metals, and the ticker is HNF. Hannan Metals, based in Vancouver, is a junior exploration company making waves in the mineral-rich landscapes of Peru and Ireland. With a focus on critical metals like copper, silver, and gold, the company's standout projects, the San Martin Copper-Silver Project and the Valiente Copper-Gold Project, are both located in Peru, a global hotspot for mining. San Martin boasts large-scale copper-silver potential, while Valiente is exploring untapped high-grade copper and gold deposits. By targeting these essential resources, Hannan Metals is tapping into the growing demand for materials driving electrification and green energy. Evaluating junior mining companies, particularly those still in the early exploration phase without drilling, can be tricky. This is especially true for smaller players like Hannan Metals. Rather than using a traditional approach, I'll break down both the potential upsides and risks of investing in this stock to give you a balanced perspective. Let's start with the bullish case for Hannan Metals. Hannan Metals is a junior mining company with big ambitions, backed by strategic partnerships that underscore its potential. In 2022, Teck Resources Limited, Canada's largest mining company, took a 9% stake in Hannan, and the company secured a $35 million joint venture with JOGMEC for its flagship San Martin project in Peru. These partnerships provide both financial backing and validation of Hannan's exploration strategies. Hannan's projects, including the San Martin copper-silver project in Peru and the County Clare project in Ireland, highlight its focus on high-demand metals like copper, silver, and zinc. With Peru's San Martin spanning 65,600 hectares, Hannan ranks among the top 10 explorers by land area in the country. As demand for critical metals surges with the rise of renewable energy and electric vehicles, Hannan is well positioned to benefit, offering investors exposure to the materials driving future technologies. Now let's take a look at the bearish case for Hannan Metals. While Hannan Metals has exciting prospects, its financial situation presents a significant hurdle. The company has reported consistent losses over the past 5 years, with earnings declining at an average annual rate of 36.1%. As of November 2023, its cash reserves stood at approximately 1.9 million CAD, while its annual cash burn reached 2.7 million CAD. This gives Hannan a cash runway of about 9 months, raising concerns about how it will fund ongoing operations. Future financing, whether through equity or debt, could lead to shareholder dilution or increased financial risk. Additionally, Hannan is still in the exploration stage, meaning it hasn't yet generated significant revenue. The success of its projects, such as San Martin and Valiente, depends on favorable exploration results, obtaining necessary permits, and securing additional development funding. The inherent risks of mineral exploration, including uncertain outcomes and long timelines, could weigh heavily on the company's performance. For investors, these challenges underscore the speculative nature of the stock and the importance of weighing the potential rewards against the risks. Now, if you found this video valuable and you're interested in building long-lasting wealth, I have just the thing for you. Unlike digital currencies like Bitcoin, which are based on pure hype, gold has been valuable for literally thousands of years, and many investors even call it God's money. Even though I believe that investing in a low-cost index fund is the best long-term investment for the average Joe, the benefits of solid physical gold are hard to deny. I think of physical gold as insurance against unpredictable times, and I'm not the only one. In 2023, central banks added over 1,000 tons of gold to their reserves, the second highest annual purchase in American history. And in 2024, central bank got another 290 tons of gold in just the first 3 months of the year. If the biggest banks in the world are buying tons of gold, I'm sure there's a good reason for it. If you want to learn more about how gold can protect your retirement savings, I have a gift for you. Just click the link in the description to receive a completely free gold IRA guide.